Dante didn't always have it easy. In his old home, he was bullied, injured after a fight with another male Budgie Moser. Maybe that's why he craved connection so much. Maybe that's why he was always in everyone's face looking for approval, looking to belong. When he lived with Lily, Mozart and Indigo, we honestly thought he had ADD, which he was hyperactive, relentless, but he really just wanted love. And then he met Izzy. It was love at first sight. From that day on, he wasn't just part of our home, he was our family. He and Izzy were the perfect budgie couple. Sure, they had their tiffs, but who doesn't? But they adored each other. He protected her. He never stopped singing for her. His need for approval favoured. Because with us and with Izzy, he finally found peace.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
We had 2 wonderful years with Dante. 2 years of joy, song and love. We'll never forget the bird who taught us that even the most restless heart just wants to feel safe and loved. Fly free, Dante, to the stars. You're never just a budgie. You're our family. Thank you for everything, Dante. You'll always be in our heart.
Thank you.